Grab on. I don't know when this will stop. I heard it stopped one time when we were under the thing. Okay. We're barely on the way out. Whoa. Here it is, the summit plummet we see right there. You can see the bottom of it. Please get off the slide to make room for other sliders, please. This is the Chairlift, the mountain goes board. It will take you to the top of mountain goes board, which is the gateway to all the slides except for the Wild Rapids. If you look over to the left, you'll see the summit plummet. We're almost close to the top.
Kevin, would you like that one? The one next to Summit Plummet?
Nah, not really.
That one doesn't look too bad.
You still need to be in a line-up position for that. Why do they have to call it Summit Plummet though? There's the kiddie slide. I think it's the Wild Rapids there. Going down the steps to reach.
The comfort for a young rider. Depth at the bottom is less than 2 feet. Have a great run.
We're almost at the top. We'll get ready to exit when we reach the top. Whoa, there was one. If you look to the right, you can see the something peak right there, the kid area.
Tight Peak.
Yeah, you'll see the tight peak to the right. As you approach the top, we ask you to keep your feet clear from the coming platform. Watch the restraints on the dip. Please exit quickly. Okay, we're reaching the top. When we get to the top, we exit now. You can get a perfect view of Epcot when you get up here. Or the spaceship Earth. That's what I heard.
That's what you heard?
Last time we were here, when we were up here. Hey look, spruces, coconut trees.
Do not pull out of the seating restraint, which will lift automatically. Then, step away from the chair and go directly to your first descent.
Why did it say that? Okay, why is it lifting when we don't